Why do you need Odoo support? Odoo is one of the most commonly used ERP platforms worldwide and has more than 5 million satisfied users. This is an open-source ERP software and offers an outstanding business suite that helps the enterprise manage all business functions and grow faster than before. Odoo helps companies to manage, track, and control every operation and integrates them seamlessly. However, in spite of being such a remarkable ERP platform, Odoo requires consistent support and maintenance. To run your Odoo in a more efficient and smoother way, you will need constant support from the Odoo experts. When you have support from a certified Odoo partner like O2B Technologies, you will get your critical issues resolved in a short span of time, as well as your company's workflow will never be hampered. In this video, we will be elaborating on the top 5 reasons why a business needs Odoo support and maintenance. Let's dive into the reasons for getting the Odoo support. Security patches. As we know that no system is fully secure unless it has consistent support to find and fix bugs and patches. Therefore, for Odoo there is no different path. There are some issues that need to be monitored constantly to make sure the bugs do not hamper the security of the system. There comes the need for the Odoo support and maintenance expert team. This team constantly keeps a tab on the system's security and works extra hours to fix the issues and safeguard critical information to be revealed. Ensure system stability. Without stable ERP platforms, everything would seem unfitting and it will eventually affect your business and customers' experience. Having a stable ERP system is a blessing, and to have this stability in the long run, businesses need an Odoo support and maintenance special team. When you have a stable Odoo ERP system, you will be able to use the system and run your business in a more efficient way. Regular bug fixes. There can be many reasons for the bug's presence in the system. It can be bad data or other settings that have not been tested earlier. Whatever can be the reason, these frequent bugs can be dangerous to the software and can cause the system to halt. Having a Odoo support professional team can resolve the issues faster and bring the system back into action in no time. Constant guidance. Constant guidance from Odoo ERP professionals is a must to have a better understanding of your system, and it will also help you run your Odoo more effectively. The Odoo experts will guide you and introduce you to advanced Odoo modules and features. It will allow you to understand the advanced features and workflow and ultimately use them properly. Also, if you are stuck in a specific situation, they provide a solution and give you the needed options to rectify them. Uninterrupted business flow. One of the significant reasons to get the best-in-class Odoo support services is to have an uninterrupted business flow. The experienced Odoo team is highly qualified to take care of the system and is available 24/7. They ensure a smooth business flow which will maximize productivity and improve the overall revenue. For more information about Odoo support and maintenance, kindly contact O2B Technologies. We offer the best and most affordable Odoo support packages to businesses.
For more info on Odoo, visit our website, www.o2btechnologies.com. or contact us at info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a silver partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.